Ever forget a bill and scramble to pay it before a late fee hits? Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, keeping track of everything can be a struggle. Finances are no exception. By now, pay later services like Zip have become increasingly popular, offering a convenient way to split purchases into installments. But with convenience comes responsibility, and a common question for Zip users is, does Zip automatically take my money out? The answer, like most things in life, isn't a simple yes or no. Zip offers a flexible payment system, and understanding how it works can help you avoid unwanted surprises and ensure smooth sailing with your purchases. So, buckle up, financially savvy friends, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Zip payments and automatic deductions. Understanding Zip's payment structure. First things first, let's break down Zip's basic payment structure. Typically, when you use Zip at a store or online, your purchase amount is split into 4 interest-free installments. The first installment is usually due at the time of purchase, with the remaining 3 spread out over the following 6 weeks. Here's where the automatic aspect comes in. Zip will not automatically deduct the upcoming installments from your linked bank account or credit card. Instead, they'll send you friendly reminders before each installment is due. These reminders can come in the form of emails, push notifications, or even SMS texts, depending on your preferences. Taking control of your Zip payments. This approach gives you flexibility in managing your payments. Let's say an unexpected expense pops up between installments. No worries. You can access the Zip app to manually make a payment on any upcoming installment, ensuring you stay on track and avoid late fees. Benefits of manual payments with Zip. There are actually a few advantages to manually managing your Zip payments. Budgeting power. By having the control to make payments when it suits your cash flow, you can strategize your budget more effectively. Got a bigger paycheck coming in next week? Allocate some of those funds towards your Zip installments for some peace of mind. Early payment perks. Some Zip partners might even offer discounts or rewards for early payments. Worth checking with the merchant to see if they have any such incentives. Avoiding overspending. Seeing the upcoming installments as separate payments can help you stay mindful of your overall spending and avoid overextending your finances. What happens if you miss a Zip payment? Life happens, and sometimes a payment might slip through the cracks. Don't panic. While Zip won't automatically deduct missed payments, they will definitely let you know with late payment reminders and fees. The sooner you address a missed payment, the less it will impact your credit score and overall account standing. Customizing your Zip payment schedule. If you prefer a more set-it-and-forget-it approach, Zip offers a bit of customization. Within the app, you can choose to change the frequency of your automatic reminders. This way, you can receive weekly or bi-weekly nudges instead of waiting for the individual installment due dates. The final takeaway. So, to answer our initial question definitively, no, Zip does not automatically take money out for upcoming installments. They rely on a system of reminders and manual payments, giving you the reins to manage your Zip purchases within your financial comfort zone. Remember, responsible spending is key. Use Zip as a tool to manage your budget, not a crutch for impulse purchases. By staying informed and utilizing the flexible payment options, Zip can be a valuable asset in your financial toolkit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.